How to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. To connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger, begin by logging into your Hostinger account and accessing the H panel. Once there, click on Manage just in front of your hosting plan and scroll down, then click on Parked Domain under Domains. Enter your GoDaddy domain name and select the option to use an existing domain. This step will prepare Hostinger to accept your domain. Next, you need to update the domain's name servers to point to Hostinger. Log into your GoDaddy account and go to the Domains section. Click on DNS next to the domain you want to connect. Scroll down to the Name Servers section and select the option to change them. Enter the Hostinger name servers, which are typically ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2.dns-parking.com, and save the changes. After updating the name servers, it may take up to 24 hours for the DNS changes to propagate fully. During this time, your domain might not immediately point to Hostinger. Once the propagation is complete, your domain will be connected to Hostinger, and you can proceed with setting up your website, whether it's installing WordPress or another CMS. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the name servers are correctly entered and that there are no conflicting DNS records. If problems persist, contacting Hostinger support can provide additional assistance in resolving any connectivity issues.